Could the universe collapse in on itself someday? Let's fly into the universe's final breath. We all know the universe started with a bang, but what if it ends with a crush? Not in fire, not in ice, but in reverse? Let's fly into the terrifying theory that the universe may one day collapse in on itself. First, the universe is expanding. Fast since the Big Bang, everything has been flying outward: galaxies, space, time itself. This expansion isn't slowing down. In fact, it's accelerating thanks to a mysterious force we call dark energy. Galaxies are pulling away from each other faster and faster. But what if that energy flips? What if gravity takes control again? Now enter the Big Crunch. The Big Crunch is a theory that says, eventually, the universe could stop expanding. Then, it reverses. Galaxies start pulling inward, stars crash. Black holes devour everything. And eventually, space itself collapses to a single point. Everything that ever existed, crushed into nothing. Signs this could happen. Scientists are watching how fast the universe expands using supernovae and cosmic background radiation. If dark energy weakens and gravity overpowers it, the Big Crunch becomes not just possible, but inevitable. Some models show the collapse beginning trillions of years from now. Others suggest it could trigger suddenly, caused by unknown physics. But here's the twist. It might not be the end. The Big Crunch might lead to a big bounce. What if the universe dies then explodes again? Collapse, bang, repeat. An infinite loop of creation and destruction. This would make the Big Bang just one in a cycle of many. We may be living in universe number 20 or 2000. What would it feel like if the collapse began? Galaxies would get closer. Cosmic background radiation would heat up. Planets would be torn apart. Eventually, the laws of physics would break. Time would stretch, space would fold, and everything would vanish into a single, fiery point. Will we watch the universe die? Could the universe collapse in on itself? Yes. Some physicists believe it's one of the most likely endings. Maybe not tomorrow. But the universe has a clock. And when it ticks the wrong way, everything falls. The beginning might not be our story. The end just might.